What's up guys? So today it's burning freaking hot outside. I'm in my garage. But I got new spark plugs because I was on my way to the movies today with my girlfriend, and right as we were about to get there, the car started kind of shaking, not violently, but just in a weird way. I checked the OBD2 I have, it said that cylinder 2 was misfiring. Now I went ahead and just bought 4 new laser iridium plugs. They're NGKs. And the cool thing is they're already gapped, so you don't have to mess with that. Yeah, I just didn't want to deal with the bullshit of having to just replace one and then worrying about the other 3 and individually replacing them. So I just figured that the other 3 are probably gonna go soon. So today I'm gonna be installing these, hopefully, because I got my friend's graduation in like 3 or 4 hours. So, I mean, if this takes me 3 or 4 hours, then screw me, right? Okay, so one of the first things we're gonna do is we have to take this cover off. Gotta get a set of Allen keys. This is, it says 5, so we're going with 5. All right, so the first one off, gotta get the other 3 off. We have our cover off. We're gonna unplug each one of these. We're gonna unplug each one of these coil packs, and then we're gonna unbolt these, pull them out, and then we'll be able to access the spark plug. So it was actually a lot easier to go ahead and unbolt all of these first. After I unbolt these 2, you see I kind of pick all of them up. Not all the way, of course, they're still plugged in, but I kind of pick all of them up, and then the first 3 came out with ease. Just there's a little tab, you gotta push it in, pop right out. The last one was a bit harder. I actually had to take off my glove. It's just kind of really back there, and you really had to get a grip on that little tab, but you know, once it comes off, it comes out easily. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna do a bit of a hiccup. You see, I tried to get down there and get that guy, all right? I don't know if you can see him way down there. No, you can't, won't focus. Anyways, I had the extension to reach down there, but for some reason I kept on hitting it, and I was like, I'm pretty sure this is a 10 mil. I got this out and realized this. Spark plug, extension, a socket. Yeah, I still have a solid inch or 2 to go. Isn't that always the case? Nobody's gonna be home for a while. My brother has work until like 6 or 7, 3:35 right now, and parents aren't getting home until 6 or 7. And I got a graduation I have to be at by 6. So, do something that I haven't done, I'd say a solid 2 years maybe. I am breaking out. Ooh. I am breaking out the bike. Luckily there is a Lowe's that is in the front. What is in the front of, it's basically right in front of 610. I live inside the loop, so I'd say it's like a 1 or 2 mile bike ride. It's not too bad. But I need to get this car up and going before then. We got a deadline, boys. Yeah, bike adventure, here we come. Damn, this thing is a mess. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'm sweating pretty heavily. It's like, I don't know what it is. Well, Houston snapped right back into it, and it's like summer now again, and it's like 95. It's a cool 95 degrees. Summer gets to a point where it starts to pretty much like burn your skin. Right now, it's probably cool hot. Enough to kind of sweat, but you know, enough to still get out there, but still make you want to kill yourself. That's just Houston for you. So yeah, I just got here, but I didn't bring a bike rack, but I'm gonna pretend like I change up with the lawnmowers. I gotta be fast. There's a lot of workers I hang out on this end. Somebody probably is gonna steal that bike. I kid you not, I really want one of these. Oh my God, like this size, 239. Oh my God, I would so cop. 290 for that bigger one. Oh, I'm not gonna have that many tools, at least not yet. The 5/8 fits more snug. I think I'm just gonna go with that. Hopefully I don't regret that. Dope. Got the goods. And would you look at that? It's still there. All right, dope. Let's continue where we left off with this guy. Alrighty, moment of truth. going lefty loosey. Oh yes, that's doing wonderful. All right, we got it. I don't know. And this one honestly, doesn't look too bad. You can see a bit of, age there on the very tip, but other than that, not too shabby. Okay, so now that we got everything out, new ones are going in, but don't forget to put anti-seize on your spark plugs, or else it's gonna be a real bad time next time you come to get these guys out. Okay, so now that you've applied the anti-seize to the spark plugs, you can bolt them back into the engine. I found for the torque specs for the AP1 were 19 pounds, so you're gonna need a torque wrench and make sure you don't go over that. Once you do that, then you're gonna go ahead and throw your coil packs back in. I went ahead and used the same order as before. Make sure you plug them up, that everything's bolted up, and you should be good to go. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of lightly tighten these on. Reason for that is I'm gonna see if I'm still misfiring after this. I'm praying to God it was just a spark plug, but you never know, so. All right, fingers crossed. So I couldn't get it, at least with the time that I was given. It's either gonna be a coil pack, or let's hope it's not something much worse, but.
Can I change in the back?
Sure.
So there's actually room in here?
I mean, right now I guess this is kind of like a little break that we're having because I was trying to finish this in time in order to, the S2K would be ready for graduation, for Arian's graduation. So we got the rhombus here. Just gotta hop in the back of the good old Jetta and change. I'm trying to integrate more like my life into this, not just it be car videos. So yeah, let's go see his graduation.
You were right. I know I can't get enough of you. Leave it all to bloom. You were right. I know I can't get enough of you. The things that I would do under the water. Floating on nothing. I know I can't get enough of you. You were right. I know I can't get enough of you. Leave it all to bloom. You were right.
Okay guys, it's a new day and I got this guy. So this is a coil pack for the car. I left off frustrated yesterday and because the spark plugs just didn't do the trick. So it's got to be a coil pack. If it's not, then it's something more serious like a fuel injector or I don't know. If it's not a fuel injector, then I really don't know what it is. Let's give this a shot and hope it works. That was it, baby. Let's go. Oh, frick, I was zooming in. Okay, just threw this guy on. Haven't bolted it in yet. It fits snug in there. Oh, would you listen to that? Would you listen to that? That is a smooth, steady S2000 idle. I need a toolbox, don't I? Like, I've been really wanting one. Thinking I could put it right there. I don't know. I saw one at Lowe's for like $250 or something. It was like a big one. I don't know, what do y'all think? I don't know. I'm so happy to have this fixed. Like, I was worried it was gonna be something much worse. But thankfully, it was nothing too bad, just needed a little tune-up. So there is a car show tonight, it's East Sleep Car Meet. I think I'm gonna take it there. It's in Missouri City or Sugar Land area, but yeah, definitely gonna take it there. Definitely get a bit of like of an edit going. So here comes that.
Caught in motion, dust fills the ocean as these walls build up inside. I'll tear them down, yeah. I'll tear them down, yeah. I'll tear them down, yeah. I'm falling. I'll tear them down, yeah. I'll tear them down, yeah. I'll tear them down, yeah. I'm falling.